Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, the ultimate destination for everything on wheels, from the latest launches to timeless classics. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting trucks of the year, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4. This isn't just an update to an old favorite, it's a bold leap forward that blends Chevrolet's rugged heritage with modern innovation, unmatched capability, and head-turning design. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or just someone who loves trucks that can handle anything, this Silverado is going to grab your attention. The first thing you'll notice is the Silverado's bold presence. The redesigned front end features a massive, imposing grille with the iconic Chevrolet bowtie front and center, flanked by slim, high-powered LED headlights. The sculpted hood and widened wheel arches give the truck a muscular, ready-for-action stance that tells you it means business. This isn't just a truck to get from point A to point B, it's a statement piece that says you're serious about performance and style. Once you climb inside, you're greeted with a cabin that mixes work-ready toughness with premium comfort. High-quality leather seats, detailed stitching, and available wood or aluminum trim give it an upscale vibe without losing that rugged feel. The driver's cockpit is centered around a massive digital display that includes the latest Chevrolet infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a full suite of connectivity options. The available Bose premium audio system turns every drive into a concert on wheels, while plenty of storage options make sure you can bring all your gear along for the ride. Under the hood, the 2026 Silverado 4x4 offers multiple powertrain choices. For those who want maximum strength, the proven 6.2-liter V8 delivers incredible towing power and acceleration. If fuel efficiency is a priority, the turbocharged 4-cylinder option offers a surprising blend of capability and economy. And for the tech-savvy driver, Chevrolet's hybrid powertrain offers strong performance with reduced emissions. All engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and a highly capable 4-wheel drive system that's ready for everything from highway cruising to deep off-road adventures. When it comes to work, the Silverado is built to be your best partner. Its reinforced cargo bed features multiple tie-down points, built-in lighting, and Chevrolet's multi-flex tailgate, which offers 6 different configurations to make loading and unloading a breeze. With best-in-class towing capacity and advanced trailer technology, hitching up and hauling heavy loads has never been easier or more stress-free. Features like trailer sway control, hill descent control, and a dedicated towing mode make sure you stay in control no matter what you're hauling. Safety is a major focus in the 2026 Silverado. The truck comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including forward collision alert, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and an available 360-degree camera system. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or winding country roads, you can drive with confidence knowing the Silverado has your back. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 is more than just a truck. It's a complete package of power, style, comfort, and innovation. It honors Chevrolet's rich history while pushing forward into a new era of performance and technology. For drivers who demand a truck that can handle everything life throws at it, from heavy work to weekend escapes, this Silverado stands ready to deliver. So get ready, because at Car Trend, we're just getting started. We'll keep bringing you the most exciting rides, the biggest innovations, and the trucks that define the road ahead.